Speed is everything in Minecraft, whether you want to be faster than your friends, escaping a horde of mobs, or just getting around your world faster. A potion of swiftness definitely can be your best friend. You can carry this little friend in your inventory wherever you go, just in case you never know when you need him. And today I'm going to show you exactly how to craft this essential potion in just few simple steps, which I'm going to show you in a way everybody can understand. First of all, you need 2 blaze rods. One of them will be used to craft a brewing stand, because without it you can say bye-bye to potions crafting. As a matter of fact, you can also find brewing stands in the villages sometimes. And the second blaze rod is going straight into the crafting menu to craft some blaze powder out of it, which we will be using as fuel inside the brewing stand. Now the real struggle begins. Equip some decent gear which can protect you, grab a sword and lots of food, find and repair a ruined nether portal, or you can also build it yourself and head into the depths of the nether. Once inside, it will start feeling like hell, because hell indeed it is. Try finding another fortress which has a spawner, but keep in mind that not every fortress that you'll find in the nether has a spawner. Before you get out of there, try to get at least 2 blaze rods. And now, before leaving the nether fortress, try to locate a netherworm farm, because they usually spawn inside the nether fortress. But the bad news is that not every nether fortress has a netherworm farm. The question is, why do you need to get the netherworm? Well, because most potions in Minecraft are brewed with the help of the netherworm. Just try to get it, because once you get at least one, you can build a netherworm farm furthermore in the future with the help of the souls, and they will not have this problem of getting back into the nether just to get some netherworm. Good, the hardest part is done. Now a sugarcane farm will get in handy, because now we have to put some sugarcane into our crafting menu to get some sugar out of it. You can put some sand into the furnace, because with the help of some glass you can craft some empty bottles, fill them with water and put them inside the brewing stand. Drop a netherwort on top so we can craft some alcohol potions, then drop the sugar inside, and congratulations, you just crafted the level 1 potions of swiftness. From now on, you are put to choose if you want to upgrade it to Swiftness 2 or if you want to increase the duration of the level 1 potion of Swiftness. You are not allowed to craft a level 2 potion of Swiftness with an increased duration. What's the difference between level 1 and level 2 potions of Swiftness? Well, the speed 1 potion increases speed and jump distance by 20% and increases FUV, of course, 6.73 meters per second when sprinting to be more exact, while speed 2 increases speed and jump distance by 40%, which is 7.85 meters per second when sprinting. If you want to increase the duration of a level 1 potion of swiftness, you have to drop a redstone dust on top of it, while if you want to craft a level 2 potion of swiftness, you have to add a piece of glowstone dust inside. You can find plenty of redstone into the depths of the underground world, while the glowstone can be found on the ceiling in the nether. For the rest of the potions, it's very straightforward. You can turn any drinkable version into a splash potions with the help of the gunpowder. The gunpowder can be obtained by killing creepers. The splash potions help in sharing the effect with some players or any mob. Just imagine being chased by a creeper and giving him the effect of swiftness too. No player ever done that, and I really hope you'll not be the first one who will be trying something like that. It's pure madness. We also can turn the splash potion into the lingering potion, which is very similar to the splash potion but has this cool effect on the ground which lasts for a few more seconds. You can create a lingering potion of swiftness if you add the dragon breath on top when you have the splash potions down below. The dragon breath can be obtained in the end dimension when you are fighting the ender dragon. Just bring some empty glass bottles with you and right click with it on the projectiles he will be charging at you. And this was it. Drop a comment down below if you have enjoyed this guide, and you can find also in the description of the video a playlist made by me with all the potions in Minecraft where you can learn how to make them. Bye bye and good luck.